In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu to Shopify. A clear navigation menu is one of the easiest ways to help customers find what they're looking for. So let's walk through the process step by step, from creating the menu to making it show up on your storefront. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Content. Click on Content and it will expand to show more options. From there, click on Menus. This is where all of your existing navigation menus are stored, such as your main menu or footer menu. In the top right corner of this page, click the Create Menu button. Start by entering a clear, descriptive name for your menu. For example, you might call it Main Navigation or Header Menu, so you'll recognize it later when you connect it to your theme. Next, under the Menu Items area, click Add Menu Item. In the Label field, type the text you want visitors to see, like Shop, About, or Contact. Under Link, click into the box and choose where that menu item should lead. You can link to collections, individual products, pages, your homepage, or even a custom URL. Once you've chosen the destination, click the check icon on the right to confirm. To add more links, click Add Menu Item again and repeat the same process. Give it a label, pick a link, and click the check icon. Keep going until you've added all the sections you want in your navigation. If you'd like to create drop-downs by nesting items, hover over the two vertical dots to the left of the menu item you want to make a child item. Click, drag it underneath the main item it should sit under, and move it slightly to the right until you see an indented blue line. Then release. That item is now nested as a child. Repeat this for any other submenu items you want. If you change your mind, hover over those dots again, drag the item slightly to the left until the blue line is no longer indented, and drop it. That will move it back to a top level position. When you're happy with your structure, click Save at either the bottom right or near the search bar at the top. Now let's make this menu visible in your store. On the left panel of your admin, click Online Store. You'll see a list of your themes with your current theme at the top. On that active theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel again and click on the header section. This is where you control what appears in your site's header. Find the menu setting and click Select. Choose the new navigation menu you just created from the list. Beside Menu Type, open the drop-down and choose how you want the menu to behave. Depending on your theme, you can usually pick between a drop-down, a mega menu for larger menus with many categories, or a drawer, which slides in from the side. Select the style that best fits your store and how many items you have. Once everything looks good in the preview, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. Your new navigation menu is now live on your Shopify store and ready for your customers to use.